Starting Acquisition Aficionado magazine with MagCast was one of the best business decisions I've ever made. The training, support, and advice we continue to get has been off the charts great, and our magazine would never have been as successful in such a short time without it. In less than 2 years, it's opened doors that only this type of media could. We recently sponsored a virtual summit, which attracted over 1,000 registrants and introduced a whole new group of readers to our magazine without a dime out of pocket. We now have an equity partnership in a new business insurance brand and partnered with one of the largest insurers in the world just for providing the magazine's educational platform, and all without any cash invested. And we've already had multiple offers to either invest in or buy our magazine outright. But we've just begun.